Tired of scrambling for cash when you need to send money to Gcash? Luckily, transferring money from your Metrobank account to Gcash is quick and easy with Metrobank Online. Let's get started. First, open your Metrobank Mobile App and log into your account. Once logged in, find and tap on the transfer option in the dashboard menu. On the transfer screen, select to other banks to proceed with the transfer. Scroll through the list of banks and look for Gcash. It is usually listed as G-Xchange. Tap on it to select. Now, carefully enter the amount you wish to transfer to your Gcash account. In the account number field, input the Gcash mobile number of the recipient. Be absolutely sure to input the correct mobile number to avoid errors. Then, enter the recipient's name. Make sure it's the exact name registered to that Gcash account. Review all the details carefully. Once you've confirmed everything is correct, tap Transfer Now. Metrobank will send an OTP to your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP in the provided field to authenticate the transaction. Congratulations, you have successfully transferred money from your Metrobank account to Gcash. Take a screenshot of the confirmation screen for your records. Now you can enjoy the convenience of using your Gcash balance.